We are looking at the PayPal activity screen, and we're going to try to cancel a recurring payment, which should be very easy. At the Times and the Washington Post, and I think I want to go with the Boston Globe instead of the Washington Post for the moment. There's some good articles in there I want to read. Anyway, we click on the Washington Post line item in the activity window, and that's going to come up in a second. And I'm guessing that somewhere between 90 and 99% of the public would try to cancel a recurring payment this way. It says the details. It shows me it's the Washington Post, and where does it say it's recurring payment? Billing agreement ID, contact info, payment sent to, funding details. It is a recurring payment, but there's no way to cancel it here. That's strange. And if we go back, we're going to look at the New York Times one, and we're going to see the same thing. There are many, many reasons for gratuitous complexity in software, and we'll get to the reason for why this is gratuitously complex, or the problem reason, in a minute. Anyway, there's the New York Times. Now I can send an email, I can call, but there's no button to cancel that payment, nor, the recurring aspect of it. And out here, there's no button. Well, let's see what the drop down there says. See, nothing here, and then there's no way to do it from here. So I Googled how to cancel recurring payments from PayPal, and you have to go to account settings. And there were 3 different descriptions out there, because they're depending upon the kind of account you have, it's set up differently. And in my case, you go down to money, bank, and cards. Now, who would think of this? Under account settings, would you think that a recurring payment would be under your account settings? I wouldn't. I would think it's under maybe money, tools, something like that. Nope. It's under account settings, and if I'm giving anything away here that's proprietary to me, I will stop. Of course. So, and you click on money, bank, and cards. Who would suspect that either? That comes up. Old credit cards. There's nothing proprietary that I have to worry about here. Anyway, we go down to automatic payments, set automatic payments. Not manage, set. Set. And that was a little different than what the instructions said. Set automatic payments, and here we have the Washington Post. I click on that one, and I can click cancel. Now, why is this complicated? See, a lot of people would say, well, before I go off on that, I would say they make it complicated to cancel an ongoing billing arrangement because PayPal benefits from more money coming in, right? More money coming in through PayPal is good for PayPal, and it's good for the customers of PayPal. It's good in this case for the Washington Post. I don't think that people at the Washington Post and millions of other users of PayPal who offer recurring payments are doing the design of this to make it artificially difficult. That's not how the world works. It's much more subtle and much more insidious. What happens is that this is my theory, PayPal benefits from more money coming through PayPal, and when they do things that lead over time to more money coming through PayPal, they tend to prosper and their stock price goes up. When they do things that lead to less money coming through PayPal, that's bad. So there's a subtle insidious pressure to make canceling of a recurring transaction not quite as easy as it really should be. And there are many, many other reasons why software is gratuitously complex, unnecessarily complex. This is only one of many. But anyway, that's all for the installment of the Simplicity Project for today. Remember, the biggest lie of our time is software has been made simple or simpler to use than it used to be. Biggest lie of our time.